Hello everybody, today is a really exciting day because we are getting our new van today, which is absolutely amazing.
So Jolie, what's your favourite memory of Swifty?
Oh, there were like so many memories. I think my real favourite memory is when we first got the van, and it was like, we never had a van like this before and we were so excited about having her. We took her into like Birmingham city centre and parked her in like an Audi car park, and we went to a gig and we were like, look, we can just park anywhere and stay anywhere we want. And I just think it just sums it up really, like the freedom that a van can kind of give you.
I think I really enjoyed our time in the south of Spain. I mean, we've done so much in it across Europe, but that really brought it where we didn't really see a lot of people. We're out in the outback, and this just really reminded me how many beautiful places you can just go and see, stop for free, and it's all there, just available to you. And I think that has just made me feel really lucky to be able to have a great van like this and a great person to share it with.
Oh.
Just waiting for our new motorhome to be delivered. Oh my God, Jolie! Jolie! It's not here. Welcome to our humble abode. A few things have changed. When we started the tour, we were in the UK, but now we're in Belgium. We didn't want to show you around until we'd finished doing all the modifications that we wanted to do before we set off. And then after we finished doing the modifications, we didn't have time to show you around. So now we have to do the rest of the van tour from here in Belgium. It's a lot nicer here than the UK, we must say.
It's a little bit better scenery, so.
So the first thing we're going to point out is this beautiful left-hand drive steering wheel. Absolutely rubbish in the UK, but here in Europe, oh my God, it makes life so much easier when driving a vehicle this size. Coming down, we still have a bed above the cab, but it's up most of the time, but you pull it down like this, and it comes into a full-size double bed, which feels quite good actually. So friends, family, just let us know when you're coming out for visiting and we'll tell you the hotel to book.
So kind.
So this here, this is our work, chill, drive area. It's a multifunctioning area. Another thing I've fitted is this universal 240 volt plug. It's connected to a 2000 watt inverter, so Jolie can use her hairdryer and hair straighters whenever she wants.
Oh, it's a VanLife. This is literally like glam van, I think. That should be the name.
Fridge, pretty much the same size we had in the last one. As you can see, plenty of space for beers, more beers, and just in case, we've got more beers up here.
So sensible, aren't we?
And there's some food as well. And also, if that wasn't enough beers, we've also got a cupboard full of mixers.
Way!
So, don't worry. We're going to be fine.
All bases are covered.
Yeah. With the oven here, as you can see, compared to the last one, it is a lot smaller. Our last van was a full-size oven, but to be honest, I found by the time it all heated up, you just drunk all the beer anyway, and then you didn't want to eat. Just above here, we fitted a 300 watt solar panel, so now we're fully able to live off grid without a problem.
Sustainable living for the win. Hello, everybody.
This full-sized mirror. One of Jolie's requests.
Don't lie, Saul Cashmore. This is so you can check your bad self out.
Have you seen what I look like?
Oh.
Come on then, we'll show him into the bedroom because I know this is your favourite bit.
Oh yes. Well, I do like a little snooze now and then. I think this for me is like the biggest change to the van. A fixed bed, look, and we can actually walk around it.
think of all the things we can do on this bed, Jolie.
Oh. Like sleeping,
Yeah.
reading,
Oh, and
drinking cups of tea.
Because if you look just up here, I fit
Projector!
projector.
I know, this is like a little bit extra, right? So you might be wondering, yeah, you've got a projector, but where's the screen? Wow. Solly,
Yeah.
do you want to show them the magic?
Yeah, sure. Hop on the bed.
We've added 2 hanging hooks here onto the ceiling, and then this projector screen is a 60-inch matte white HD screen, and you can see just how crazy big that is.
So now, watching movies is a bit like this at the end of the bed.
I don't think I'm ever going to leave this van again, Saul. This is the only problem. How cool is that? It's amazing. Here's a fun fact for you. When we got the projector screen, we didn't know where we were going to store it. And then Saul saw this cutout here. And it just fits perfectly underneath the bed. How weird.
Made to be.
How weird.
Made to be. The shower at the end of the bed is quite nice. Not as big as the last one, but the shower door doesn't rattle around as much, so that's a plus. Yes, the shower works great. And then across the hall, we have our toilet. Has everything you'd expect in a toilet. So the toilet, a sink, and a mirror, some cupboards. Other than that, pretty standard. Pretty nice little toilet that Jolie said she's going to empty this time. I said we needed a house pump.
Oh yeah. No. No.
It's going to die, this was. It's not meant to live in a river. We found a convalarium.
Are you actually going to keep that?
That house plant?
Let's have a look at it.
Trevor.
It's our rescue plant.
Rescue plant.
Oh,
We rescued a plant.
you did. There we go. There's our house plant.
Trevor. I don't know what Trevor is, but... The garage, which is quite full now, has everything we need from surfboards, chairs, barbecues and generator, just in case we ever do run out of electricity.
And I suppose the final thing we've got to mention is look at the view and the windows, how much better. The old van was a little bit claustrophobic at times, and I think the whole point of van life is the fact that you can have this indoor-outdoor scent, so Poppy is so perfect.
Right, so I suppose we're just going to wrap it up there. The next time you see us, we'll be in Bruges, and in our next video we'll be showing you how to ride around Bruges.
We've already started vlogging our adventures, so make sure to follow our channel, hit the subscribe button, and also give this video a big thumbs up. Obviously the channel is so new, so any support from you guys, like comments, we really appreciate. And obviously if you have a travel Instagram or YouTube or something like that, put your link below so we can follow along with you as well.
Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one, guys. Bye.